Hello! In this video, we'll be working on our drill sounds. I'll say the letter, keyword, and sound. When I point to you, you'll repeat after me. WH, whistle, W. W, wind, W. I remember those two letters combinations make the same sound. J, jug, J. R, rat, V, van, V. Now let's do our vowels. A, apple, A. U, up, E, ed, F. O, octopus, aw. I, it, I. We just practiced our drill sounds for today. Nice job.